Hey going, Mason Corby again guys from Downunder Dynamics. Today's video is going to be on head up switching snake, so in face to out face snake in the head up orientation. Going to cover all the different little topics about the general positions themselves, how to switch between them, how it links to the sky, and various other things, I guess. The speed at which this clip is at is about the middle speed for tunnel flying, maybe a little bit on the higher end of the middle speed, okay? It's not full efficient. Okay, it's just for the intermediate flyer to learn how to get a little bit cleaner and understand some of the controls about it. I'm not going just straight in carving for a long time. You're going to notice how it's bouncing back and forth a little. I'm trying to go with the flow. When it feels like it's going to take me up, I'm going to let it take me up, and then I'm going to go across. You'll see what I mean when I keep talking about this in a sec. So let's crack on with the video. Let's see how we go. Okay, so head up switching snake. Okay, so first we're in face. We just had covered this topic on the previous in face head up video. Switch to carving. So saying we're driving forwards now into out face. Now when I come into out face, you can maintain a straight body, or if you're just learning it, you can go into a knee fly position, which I'm going to do here. Now the knee fly position is more of a slower position for head up moving. Okay, and it's the basic position of what you would start learning if you're doing head up tracking. Okay, so it's slow. So you'll notice here I go knee fly, and in knee fly my shins are vertical to the wind, my torso is leaned over a little bit. Okay, my arms are straight. I'm not pushing my arms down. If I push them down, like you'll see on other videos, the wind's going to come over, up through. Look, it's got a pretty clean airflow now, up, and then it hits this part, causes turbulence and wobbles off. Okay, so we really want to try and hold a clean airflow. So if I'm going to go over more, I'm going to, rather than push my arms down, my whole body will most likely try to come down. Okay, and that way the air is going to flow off cleanly from it. As I said before, land, I feel like I'm going to go down. Okay, so I go down, I land, I'm still carving, turn, and straight back over. I'm not trying to carve around. It's like a trampoline. Once you feel that bounce, jump, bounce, do your thing, bounce, do your thing. If your timing is off, it's going to feel like it's going to stall. Okay, so it's all about timing. Out face, down near the net, don't fight the up, let it take you up, then back. Don't fight it, let it take me up, then across. Okay, same as what I said before. I'm not going sideways, I'm trying to track. So at the moment you can see here how my body is facing this direction. So I'm going to be going head up, I'm aiming for down here in the corner, and I'm going to head up track around the glass and down. As I come down near the bottom, I'm going to slow down a little bit so I don't hit the net. You can see it's more head up tracking backwards with the turn. Here's where I start switching. Okay, we'll go back slightly. You can see that point where I've felt the up motion, and that's when I've started straightening my legs down. So I'm steering with my legs, okay, that leading edge. This is where the wind hits first, straightening them down to match the same as the torso. Right, and that's what pushes me back, because I've created this shape, so the wind's going to push me this way. If I'm getting this area of this shape and pushing this part down rather than this part up, okay, I'm going to cause this part to start going down, the wind's going to spill off. If I've got a shape like this and I decide to push the wind here and push that down to go up and over, it's going to cause it to stall. Wind's going to flow and stall off. Okay, you'll see the arms as much as I can are neutral. I'm bringing the legs down, and now I've caused that shape. Same, I've landed on my back, and I'm driving forwards, I'm tracking towards the vision of the camera. As I go down the bottom, I'm turning. Covered that in the previous video. Now I'm straightening the legs to create this shape, the body, which is going to drive me across the tunnel. Cross, head up tracking to the side, bending the leading edge to slow down. And you can see here, as I've gone to almost push on the wind, I've maintained my arms straight. down with the legs first. So let's watch that in full speed. A lot of the controls all with the legs. You can turn with the arms as well. Let's see back real quick here. You can see where I've turned with that arm, the hand, the left hand. Putting the brakes on. This is where I said before, the shoulders, 1, 2. You can see they're not level. My body's going this direction. I'm causing the wing at the top, okay, changing it this way. So because I'm moving this direction, the wind's hitting it here, it's going to cause it to slowly wash off and allow me to go forward. This is where you can steer it with more things than one. Steering with the leading edge, the rear edge, and you can steer it with the middle as well. Just take notice of where the wind's hitting you. You can see as I've got to the top, now I've straightened the body. Leading edge, legs, driving forwards, driving backwards. So another quick little video there, guys. Hopefully to give you a little couple things to go and practice and go and test out and see how it goes, see if I'm talking crap or not. Hope you've learned something from it. Thanks for watching yet again. There will be more videos to come. So cheers for tuning in. Like and subscribe. That video was from the body piloting channel, so check that out. We'll have more stuff going up there. And cheers. Like and subscribe and give us a comment.